Who are you delivering for?
What? Oh, right there. Is it here?
This is the location. That's this.
Yeah.
But we don't have we have physical inventory this weekend. We have no staff here today.
Alright guys, ayan. Napuro na yung delivery natin. Katapusan pa naman ngayon. Iniisip ko na sana makakapasok ito sa cut-off kasi katapusan dahil nga itong pick up nating load, no? Galing tayo ng sa previous video vlog natin. Yun siguro yun.
Turn right on Southeast Raymond Street, then take the second right. Turn right at the stop sign.
Ito, malaking building na to guys. Dito tayo magde-deliver. Alright guys, tara. Mag-check-in muna tayo dito. Saan ba? Hindi dyan, baka dito sa kabila. Baka ito yun. Saan ba? First time lang kasi natin pumunta rito eh. Baka sa kabila pa. Sa kabila kaya? Wala yatang tao. Saan kaya itong tao dito? Shipping and receiving. Mayroon pag first time natin guys hindi mo alam kung saan yung shipping or receiving nila rito eh. Meron ba ron sa loob? Baka doon ng entrance. Papasok ba sa loob? Bakit yan sa loob? Ahmad! Hi! I'm looking for a Ajinomoto. Ajinomoto.
General Motor.
Yeah. Is it here or the other? That building. Where is their entrance? That building. Where is their entrance?
That's for what? What for?
I'm delivering frozen meat.
What? What are you delivering?
Frozen meat. Where is the entrance of that one? Are you in that one or here?
No, not this one.
You here?
No. That one, the other one. I don't know where the entry. It's probably there.
Yeah.
It's what's number? What's the address?
Okay.
What do you have?
Frozen meat?
Meat?
Yeah.
Roast meat?
Yeah, meat.
Feet? Meat?
Yeah, 4901 Portland,
No,
Oregon.
this is 4701.
So this is 4901, yeah.
Probably. Hello?
Saan kaya yung entrance niyan? Baka doon sa kabila, kaya. All present in an Alpine Food Recipe is located at the following address: Milwaukee. Saan ang doorbell dito? Wala naman ako makita ang doorbell eh. Baka mabasag pa. Hintayin ko lang yung dispatch ko. Alamin natin kung saan. Hoy, right there. Hi.
Nobody's here today. We're closed. This building is closed. Do you have a dock appointment today?
Oh yeah. To be confirmed. That's what they
On
said.
open dock. All things should be on open dock, and they block the day off. So I don't know that you have an appointment today.
Oh.
Who are you delivering for?
What? Oh, right there. Is it here?
This is the location. That's this.
Yeah.
But we don't have we have physical inventory this weekend. We have no staff here today.
Oh, really?
Yeah. They should have blocked off all times on open dock. Open dock is where everyone makes the appointment to deliver.
So you
Who do you
guys
go for?
don't have?
No one's here to receive.
So I have to tell to my manager.
I would call your manager. Your manager should have made an appointment on open dock, and there should be no appointments available for today to drop off.
Oh my God! This load has been since Friday. I've been waiting this to do a meat inspection, and then since when I'm in the meat inspection, because they close at 3:30, so I have to wait Saturday and Sunday.
Oh, it was supposed to be Friday.
No, it's not Friday. It's has to be today,
Yeah,
31st.
that time was also scratched out. I would ask your manager, but there's no one here to receive. We have no forklift drivers here to offload the truck. We're closed today.
So you're the manager?
I am an inventory supervisor, but I'm here from the plant. I don't work at this location generally.
So what they have to do is you have to book.
They're open tomorrow. They're open tomorrow, but open dock appointments. Your manager should know what the website is. All appointments are made on open dock.
Okay, so they have to make an appointment for tomorrow.
Yes.
I don't know. It's my first time to come here, so I'm gonna.
Oh, it's first time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would contact your manager.
So you're the supervisor for the plant.
Yeah, somewhere else at a different location.
So I can just park here for now, or what?
Park where?
Or somewhere here?
Like for how long?
I'm not sure. I don't know where to go
Yeah,
to.
right, pull over here is probably fine.
Yeah, okay.
I'm gonna leave in like an hour.
Yeah.
But if you need to pull over, no one's coming today.
Oh, okay.
So, right over here is totally fine.
Okay, thank
Yeah.
you. I have to ask them.
Yeah,
Hopefully
I would ask
they
them and then have them contact whoever that is on that bill of lading.
Yeah.
Our purchasing department or the warehouse manager should be able to give you better information.
It's not this one, right? Alpine Food Distribution?
No, we are not Alpine.
Oh, you're not Alpine. Alright, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
Gonna
Sorry
let...
about
Okay. Wala guys. Napurnada na naman itong... Napurnada ang ating Alright guys, ayan. Napurnada yung delivery natin. Katapusan pa naman ngayon. Iniisip ko na sana makakapasok ito sa cut-off kasi katapusan dahil nga itong pick up nating load, no? Galing tayo ng sa previous video vlog natin, Calgary, nag-pick up tayo, nag-deliver tayo sa British Columbia. After that, nakag-pick up din ako ulit right away. Nung Friday, hindi ako umabol sa meat inspection kasi 3 hanggang 3:30 lang talaga sila. Hindi kaya ng oras ko. Kaya natenga ako ng Sabado, Linggo, 2 araw doon sa may malapit sa border. Doon na ako nagpahinga at syempre naka-receipt na rin pati ako, no? Ngayon na-meat inspection ako kanina, which is ngayon Monday. Tapos ito nga yung ating load na to, yun, tulad ng sabi nila. Wala daw magre-receive, wala daw mag-inventory, sabi. Ano nangyari? So, baka matatagalan na naman ako nito. Wala tayo. Yan, Lakay Tracker. Puntakin ko lang muna guys yung aking yung aking dispatch, tapos malaman natin. Kasi kung sakaling wala ngayon, hindi ko may unload ngayon ito, wala na, hindi na papasok sa cut-off. Meron pa naman silang ibinigay sa aking reload na pagka-deliver ko nito, pipick up na tayo mula dito. Diyan lang tayo sa may Hillsboro, Oregon. Napakalapit na yung dideliveran na ay pipick upan natin dyan pagkatapos natin mag-deliver dito. Mga na lang, mga 15 minutes drive na lang Ang ganda sana Ewan ko ba tong mga ayaw na magsalita. Hintayin natin hanggat mamaya. Kung wala talaga, pagpabukas nila ito o kailan nila ito may de-deliver, hala. Bang lang tayo guys.
Tomorrow for sure.
Guys, good morning. Ayan. Sa wakas, ma-unload na tayo. Wala, inabot na tayo ng the next day dito. Ngayon lang tayo ma-unload mga idol.
Wow!
Naabot tayo ng ano eh. Naabot tayo ng following day. Pero at least okay na kasi may unload na tayo. Ang tagal ko rin itong load na to. Ang tagal kong hawak itong load na to.
Wow!
Door 12. Ayan ang door 12. Ayan. Baka yung ano brake ko pork ang pangarga guys. Anong klase ng ano yan pork? Solid na ano siguro yan, lomo. Ayan, sinisimulan na nila. Naririnig ko na o nararamdaman ko na yung kalampag ng ano, ng trailer door natin sa likod. Marami rin magpapa ano rito, magdi-deliver guys. Ito. Meron din doon sa kabila. Ayun. Tayo naman, inaanlog tayo. Sa wakas, may unload rin sa atin itong load na to. Pag sa ano tagal ng ano, ang tagal ng hawak natin ang responsibilidad na load na to. Pinik up ko to nung Friday Friday. Tulad nga lang sinasabi ko sa inyo, meat inspection ito 3:30, alanganin naman kasi yung oras ko. Gawa nga ng yung paperwork document na pag-cross ng border, hindi pa clear ang load. Kaya naka-cross ako alas 4 na, ang meat inspection hanggang 3:30 lang, kaya hindi ko inaabot. So, Sabado, Linggo, no? Natingga tayo sa truck stop. Doon, malapit lang din doon. Tapos tsaka lang tayo nakapag-meat inspection kahapon ng umaga, Lunes. Inagaan ko talaga ako yung kauna-unahan nandoon para matapos agad dito kako. So pangatlong araw kahapon. Ito, pang-apat ngayon yun. Bali, pang-apat na araw yung pagkaka-unload sa atin dito. Itong lugar na to, dito sa City of Oregon, hanggang dun sa Surrey, British Columbia, kung saan ko pinikap ito. 5 hours drive lang, 5 oras na biyahe lang, mga 300 miles lang. Kaso nga lang, inaabot tayo guys ng ng 4 na araw Yung 300 miles naging 4 na araw na biyahe. Pero okay lang, ito, ina-unload na tayo. Kinausap ko yung dispatch ko, sabi niya sa akin tuloy pa rin yung load ko kahit na kahapon dapat ang pick up. Sabi ko salamat ka, kasi hindi ko naman kasalanan talaga to kung bakit nagkaganito ito. Tayin ko lang guys. Done? Thank you very much sir. Alright guys, ayan, tapos na sa wakas. Sarado na natin at lalarga na tayo. Ayan, receive. I-receive na. Oops. Alright. Tara. Malinis ba? Malinis. Malinis. Hindi natin kailangan tapong ko doon sa loob ng truck. Magpa-truck wash. Punta na tayo sa pipikapan natin. Kaya natin sa 34 on set point. Lagay natin 34. Yes, okay. Alright. Alright guys. Alright guys, tara. Punta na tayo susunod nating pipikapan. Ayun, pipikapan natin dito rin sa Oregon, pupunta ng Calgary. Dire-diretso rin ng biyahe ngayon sa sa company. Sana hindi magbago ito kasi ang tariff ng US mag-i-start ngayong April. Hopefully hindi magbago. So paano guys, putulin ko na muna ang video vlog natin dito hanggang sa muli natin pagkikita. Maraming salamat sa inyo wala sa panonood sa video vlog ng Lakay Truck. Ingat kayo lagi guys. Peace up. Bye.
Lakay Trucker.